farm life. That's our hangout for the day. We have so much farm work today. I'm so not motivated, but we're gonna do this, inshallah. But first, lunch, our little picnic. It's such a harsh environment. Like, look how dry it is. These crops barely stand a chance because there hasn't been rain in weeks. Nothing. Barren. The birds are coming. They can see our food. She's just getting a little too close, if you ask me. Hada Derek. These birds just wait for us to come every afternoon. They just went up here, now they're making the most noise. She's telling all her friends. See, they're coming! Even the birds think so. Look, kula raacsan yihiin hooy, waa kuwa. Alla way isdhiibayaan. Mise way ka dafaysaa. She's feeding that one. I think it's her kid. It's so nice, you just come out here to like literally watch National Geographic. TV baa laga daawan jiray. Now natural. It's just like Netflix and chill. Like, we literally have our food and we have our National Geographics. It's such a nice life. This midday under a tree nap, comparable to none, I tell you. Like, just look at how luxurious the shade is. Okay, I do have to go work now. Nap time is over. Time to work. My manager's here. Time to clock in, Mia. Time to work. Okay, I need one. Here's the real challenge. Now they're at the stage where this thing will sit here. Hadday marayaan line ku shubid.
Oh, bashi way tala and lahayn an jidka ugu sameeyne.
Yeah, I know. Jidka laakiin you can only make it after the ground is wet. digging these trenches for my potatoes.
يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض الملك القدوس العزيز الحكيم هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين وآخرين منهم لما
Now I can have my final cup of tea. And then we go home to rest, inshallah. Actually, we gotta go sell some goods, but that's not even hard. Alhamdulillah, I hope you guys like the vlog. If you like this journey that we're on, keep watching. I mean, it takes a couple months and you do have to be patient, but I see our vision coming true with some rain. I don't know how much longer we can last because our farm is rain fed. Our bear kit it's halfway, it's doing okay. We usually make it till September. If there's no rain between now and September, we'll be okay, but we would love some help from Allah, the one and only, inshallah. That actually reminds me, I gotta pray Asr now. So let's get our mat back out. I love outdoor prayers, guys. Unmatched for real.